All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, I keep sending cars to the junkyard.
Where cars come to die.
All right, so I'm on a streak right now of, well, dead engines. So I killed one today. Hyundai, they drove it with the oil light flashing, oil leaks everywhere on it. 130,000 miles, I think, on it. And, well, they drove it until, well, something broke because it's got no compression now. It's not locked up, but it's got no compression. So that is in the last 3 weeks. It's Thursday right now, but in the last 3 weeks, that makes, let's see, 9 cars I've sent to the junkyard. One did an engine. I think I might have talked about it, or I did an Instagram post about it. I put an engine in a fit for engine noise. That was the only one that approved. Killed a 2.0. I think I've actually killed two Volkswagen 2.0s, a horribly blown head gasket on a Camry with 200,000 miles on it, not doing a head, putting an engine in it. They declined. A Mustang with misfires and, yeah, they declined. A Jeep with a blown head gasket. The Mustang was the only one that I might have been able to do a head gasket on, but the last 2.54 Mustang we did an engine on or went to do a head gasket on, it didn't end well because they melted the liner, so we had to put an engine in it, so I just went ahead and priced an engine. I'm on a streak of sending cars to the junkyard. Most of them have gone. We've got a guy here that buys them. Most of them have gotten sent that way. The Hyundai today had warranty, but yeah, they weren't covering that. I'm guessing the maintenance history was going to be 0, and the no oil on it, dipstick, is not going to end well for them, so it got towed out. So I'll tell you, if you bring a car in for overheating, or it may not leave this shop. In fairness, most of those cars got towed in. The one 2.0 was jump time, massive oil leaks everywhere, almost 200,000 miles. The other Volkswagen 2.0 was locked up. So, drive them in, push them out. In fairness, some drove out, some never even got in the bay. Because zero compression is zero compression. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.